A desk is a piece of furniture with a flat table-style work surface used in a school, office, home, or the like for academic, professional, or domestic activities such as reading, writing, or using equipment such as a computer. Desks often have one or more drawers, compartments, or pigeonholes to store items such as office supplies and papers. Desks are usually made of wood or metal, although materials such as glass are sometimes seen. A desk organizer is a piece of box or open tray typically kept on the surface of a desk, divided into compartments for storage of such office supplies as pens, pencils, paper clips, etc. They are meant to help keep your items in a small, compact space. If you have just set up a work table at home or are looking for accessories to create one, consider investing in a desk organizer or making one yourself. Desk organizers are available in various sizes and shapes and can be used to arrange documents, craft supplies, pens, pencils, and more in one place for quick and easy access. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you desk organizer design ideas as simple beginner welding projects. This video contains a collection of beautiful and practical metal desk organizer design ideas from which you can pick your favorite and try to make it at home. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. There is a huge market potential for beautifully crafted desk organizers. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics show that more than 90% of our viewers are now subscribed to our channel. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. A work desk will certainly have more than a single item on it. A work desk will certainly have more than a single item on it, which may include pens, notepads, and more. There are several benefits of organizing your workspace. Number 1. Improved time management. Taking the time to get organized can save you time in the long run. Constantly working around clutter can seriously impair your productivity. Great time managers set up and organize their workspaces to cut down on the amount of time necessary for each task. Number 2. Quickly locate important items. Has your boss ever asked you for an important document that you were unable to locate? Organizing your workspace will spare you embarrassment and frustration. Number 3. Remember important tasks. The common phrase "out of sight, out of mind" is largely true. Visual cues can help you remember and prioritize important tasks. For example, a clean and orderly desk can help you deal with one task at a time. Number 4. Maintain a professional appearance. Your dress, demeanor, and workspace are a representation of you and your employer. Minimal clutter conveys professionalism. And number 5. Focus on workplace goals. An orderly workplace can help you fine-tune and accomplish your daily goals, thereby helping you achieve your long-term professional goals. Be it a tech table, set up with monitors, or a simple writing table, it is considered a good practice to keep it organized. Once all your pens, documents, folders, and other items are at one place, your workflow will get much more convenient and quick. Desk organizers are useful for business people, creatives, academics, and students alike. While shopping for a desk organizer or while deciding to make one, you must be aware of what specifically needs to be organized on your table. If you need to organize lots of different office supplies, consider getting an organizer set for a single organizer with multiple compartments for handily sorting large and small items. There are also organizers designed for more specific uses, such as a file organizer, which can help you organize extra paper, large notebooks, and files. Keeping your desk space tidy can help increase productivity and focus. Being organized also can help reduce anxiety. From paper to cords, everything needs a dedicated space to make workflow predictable and effortless, because searching under piles of paper for a pen isn't the best use of time when you need to jot something down. Whatever work-related tasks you need to manage throughout the workday, there is an office accessory designed to help. Larger desk accessories such as filing cabinets and bookshelves can help define an office space, while desk organizers keep small essential office items at your fingertips. What to consider when choosing the best desk organizer? When considering which desk organizer is best for you, it's helpful to consider how much space is available and how many items you'd like to organize. The types of items you'll be storing also are key considerations. Whether you plan to store only small items or need to keep documents and books in your desktop organizer can dictate which option is best. The following are some important features to consider when choosing the best desk organizer to keep your workspace clutter-free. Number 1. Design. The items that you'll be storing can help determine the desk organizer design that's right for your needs. Books and files can require upright storage designs, while smaller items can fit in other storage spaces such as shelves, drawers, and compartments. In conjunction with function, form also can play an important role in your choice. Some office accessories can blend into the design of your home or office, and others can make a statement, such as an industrial or executive look. Number 2. Size. There is a range of desk organizer sizes available. The size of the organizer you choose usually depends on the size and amount of items you need to organize, but it also needs to fit the size of the desktop. An organizer that is too big can monopolize precious workspace, while an organizer that's too small may not meet your storage needs. Number 3. Weight. A desktop organizer's size and material affects its weight. Plastic can decrease an organizer's weight, but it may not be as sturdy as other materials. Materials such as metal and wood increase weight and can't support heavier objects like books. Number 4. Compartments. When considering which type of compartments to look for in an organizer, a good place to begin involves assessing what's currently on your desk. Small compartments are ideal for little items, but shelves can more easily store books. Also consider how visible you would like your supplies. Cube storage is open so you can see and easily access supplies, while drawer storage lets you hide items that may not be required on a daily basis. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting welded metal desk organizer design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.